Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, in this video, we will talk about the importance of pH in our everyday life. As we know that the pH is used to find out the strength of acids and base. So, if there is a increase in the acidic level or the basic level, we can neutralize it. Okay, now. So we will study about the pH, and essential is there that to maintain the pH in some definite range for the proper growth of the body and for working of the lifestyle also. If suppose if we will eat something, you know, the stomach actually secretes some of the hydrochloric acids, and that hydrochloric acid, if it secretes in the extra quantity, then it will definitely make the stomach acidic. Hyperacidity can cause due to the indigestion. Okay, now. So we have to take some of the basic compound for that one. Milk of magnesia we will take to cure that acidity, high acidity level. So there is essential that every time we will talk about a balance pH. Okay, now. So there is a range, fixed range, on that it will work. Okay, now. So here you can see the first case, that one is pH in our digestive system. Okay, now dear student, digestive system, as I have told you that when I am taking food, so in that case food will reaches to the stomach, then the wall of stomach releases hydrochloric acid, and here it is, if it is in the extra quantity, then it is causes acidity, and we have to react with anti-acid. And how the reaction will take place, I am telling you. You can see, if HCl is secreted in the extra quantity, and then we will try to neutralize this one by milk of magnesia, and we know MgOH whole twice. Okay, now. So what it will form, it will form MgCl. So MgCl2 plus H2O na? Yes, it will form, and this one is a neutral compound, and we will relieve the person who is suffering from that high acidity, will relieve from that pain. So this one is the importance of pH. If the acid level will increase, what is pH? pH means comparison of a strength of acids and base. If acid is increasing, that means pH is, pH is low, that means acidity H plus would be high, na? The inversely proportional relation I have told you. So you can see that one. Okay, now next thing, pH changes. pH change causes tooth decay. Our tooth is actually, our tooth becomes, pH, if the pH lowers down below 5.5, that means the condition of the tooth will become worst. pH is at 5.5. pH is 5.5, it is okay. Tooth will not suffer, will not have any problem. The gum had not any problem. But if it is lower from that 5.5, that means the acid attacks on the enamel. And what is this enamel? It is the outer layer of tooth. This one is calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 whole twice. How can you write that one? Ca3PO4 twice, like this one, plus HCl. As you know, in which case we are actually seeing that one, when the person eating lots of sweet, and overnight that bacteria will grow, bacteria will react with that sugar, it will produce some of the acidic substance, and that acidic substance will react with enamel means Ca3PO4 whole twice calcium phosphate, and it will produce CaCl2 plus calcium chloride plus H3PO4 phosphoric acid, and in that case we will tell that the tooth will corrode to produce dental caries. The corrosion becomes more deep and this is called dental caries. Okay, na dear students? So this is the thing you have to understand. You have to maintain the pH range, pH at 5.5. What I will suggest you, after eating the sweets in the night, or if you are eating something, then go and have brush in everyday night before sleeping. Okay na? So that will not damage your enamel. Okay na? You can see this one here, every reactions are there, and then dental caries will occur. Okay now next one, acids in muscles during heavy exercise. No, you know dear students, from the biology topic also, if we will do the heavy exercise, the glucose in our body do anaerobically respire, and due to that one, glucose instantly change into the lactic acid. Here it is written, the explanation is written, during the respiration, if I will do the heavy exercise, I am not getting proper breath, I am not inhaling lots of oxygen, because it is recommended that during exercise you need not to take lots of breath in some of the exercise. So what will you see, that glucose or the body cells is not respiring well, inhaling is not proper over there. So that means anaerobically respiration is occurring, means our cell is actually breathing in the absence of oxygen, so anaerobical respiration. So in that case, glucose will change into lactic acid, and lactic acid, if it will store into the muscles, that muscles will cause pain and spasm in our muscles. So that is due to that, that is the reason, due to that hamstring muscle pulls can cause. Okay na? To get relief from this pain, we take antacid to neutralize the lactic acid. Okay na? Lactic acid we can take neutral, that antacid can be milk of magnesia, baking soda. Okay na? So this is essential, my dear, that you will understand the first lines, acid in muscles during heavy exercise. There it is written, when we do heavy exercise, then to produce large amount of energy, anaerobic respiration takes place along with normal respiration, and glucose instantly change into lactic acid, which will get accumulate in muscles and cause pain and spasm in our muscle. Okay, and we have to take some antacid. Now you can see regaining of sign of tarnished copper articles. Here I will give you, first of all I will tell you about the reaction, and then I will tell you about that. Then I will tell you the theoretical part, but first of all you can see what is the reaction. Copper is in the solid state. Copper, when it get corrosion, it will react with H2O plus CO2 plus O2. Look what it will form. This one is known as moist air. Moist air has presence of this all the thing, H2O, CO2, O2. Okay na? Copper when react with all these things, then it will form basic copper carbonate. What it will form? What is the formula of basic copper carbonate? CuCO3 CuOH whole twice. This one is a basic copper carbonate. Okay na dear student, you can see this one, regaining of sign of tarnished copper articles. So what I have said, that copper articles becomes green. Why it becomes green? Because copper reacts with moist air, and moist air means what? Carbon dioxide, water and oxygen. Okay na? When it will react with moist air, then it will have green color quotation on that copper metal. Okay na? So you can say that here we see that the copper article becomes green due to the formation of basic copper carbonate E. Okay, now, and their sign gets tarnished. Now what I have to do, I have to remove that green color. So what can I do? What can I do? You know, basic is there, basic. So if I will add acid onto that one, if I will rub that quotation with acid, then definitely the green color will disappear. So that's why I have rubbed it with the mild acidic substance, and that one is lemon juice, vinegar, acetic acid, vinegar, you know na, acetic acid 5 to 8% acetic acid in water is known as vinegar. So if I will rub that basic copper carbonate with lemon juice, that one is citric acid or vinegar, then yes, the sign of the copper will yet again, it will gain. Okay, now it will become shiny once again. Now next thing, dear student, here you can see plants and animals are sensitive to pH change. Dear student, our body, animal's body works also in between some pH. Plants growth always depends upon the pH of soil. The normal growth of plant is at pH 7. pH 7 means your soil is neutral and the growth of plant will be proper in that pH. At that pH, I can say, if anyhow the pH level will increase or decrease, then definitely it will affect on the growth of the plant. So in that case, we have to add some substance which can neutralize the effect. If suppose your soil has pH lower, pH lower means what? Acidity is increasing, na? pH lower, acidity increase. If acidity is increased, that means what you will take to neutralize that one, you have to take basic compound. Okay, na? So here you can see the plant and animals are sensitive to pH change. The growth of plants and animals also depends on the proper pH condition. Here it is written pH soil is near to 7, then plants grow it in the best way. The proper growth of plant is not possible if the soil is too acidic or too basic. So in that case, you can see here it is written, for example, slaked lime is added to acidic soil. I have told now that acidic soil, if the soil is very much acidic, then we have to react it with the base. That means acid plus base, it will form a neutral compound. Okay, now dear student, so this is you have to understand, and pH plays an important role in the survival of animals also. Okay, dear student, so we can say that all of you have understood that pH is essential. Okay, dear student.